Hello everyone, and welcome to the lesson on encryption of messages. Okay, this is cryptography. If you notice when you go on a website, it talks about security, that that information is sent encrypted. Okay, so one basic way to do this is through a matrix. Okay, so you have your message, you encrypt it, it gets sent to the other side. They've got the key to unlock it, and that's how they can decrypt or decode the message at the other end. All right, so we're going to do this in two stages. Today we're going to look at encrypting a message, and the next lesson will be on decryption or decoding the message. Okay, so in order to do this, you need to have something like this, a key, and this is a very basic one, obviously. So if you have an A, you put it in your matrix as a 1, a B is a 2, so on and so forth. Spaces are zeros. Okay, so let's take a look at this. We have this message, meet at 4. Okay, and the encoding matrix is a 2 by 2. So that means that when we convert these letters to numbers, we have to have a 2-column matrix. Okay, so we construct this 2-column matrix, and what you do is meet meet at 4. So it's meet is 13, A is E is 5, E is 5 again, T is 20. So you're going to put the elements in the matrix left to right. Space is 0, A is 1, T is 20, space is 0, F is 6, O is 15, U is 21, and R is 18. So let's say you only have an you have an odd number of letters. You fill the end up with zeros. Okay, so let's say it ended at 21. You need to complete the matrix. You can put a 0 as a placeholder. Okay, so that we'll put in the calculator as matrix A times matrix B. That is our encoding matrix, 2, 3, -4, and 5, and that will give us a 2-column matrix. Okay, so you put that in the calculator and you just multiply that out. And we've been putting the matrices in the calculator, so I'm not going to do that again. So the resulting matrix would be 6, 64, -70, 115, -4, 5, 40, 60, -48, 93, -30, and 153. Okay, and you can also write them out as a string of characters. It's 6, 64. All right, etc. So you could write it out that way. So then, what we'll look at in the next lesson is how do you take this, use an encoding matrix, and put it back to the 0 through 26, so we can convert those characters, those numbers, back to letters. So this is the lesson on encryption, and this lesson, as just about every other lesson, has been brought directly to you from my dining room table.